Kia ora everyone, and welcome to the latest project flyover. I'm Emily Khan, a site engineer on the project, and I'm excited to share with you all the great progress we've made so far. As you can see to the left, there is the current windy State Highway 3 climbing high above the new bypass to the right. The new alignment at the lower elevation will have only smooth transitions and a much more gentle gradient. You can see this as we pass by the completed cuts 14 and 15. As we continue north, you can start to see where the 125 metre long bridge will eventually cross over the Mimi wetlands. The yellow 280 tonne crane is located on the temporary staging bridge. At both ends of this bridge, you can see the 4-pier foundations and the permanent abutments. This is where the bridge will tie into the rest of the highway. Here's a closer look at the south abutment as we prepare for the steel beams and girders that will be installed later next month. Now looking to the northern abutment, you can see the bridge will have an 8% fall to the left and an incline of 7% heading north. The top of the concrete at the northern abutment is actually not too far off finished road level, so as we pan up, you can see all the material that is still yet to be removed. The team is working hard installing this rockfall protection fence, which will allow us to simultaneously work on both excavation of material above and the bridge construction below. This whole area continuing up is all a part of Cut 13. There is still over 160,000 cubic metres of material to be excavated. The team have made great progress and continue to utilise all fine weather days, even during winter. This access track into Zone 5 currently works well, but will be removed once the access via the bridge is available at the end of the year. As we continue over Zone 5, the team is busy placing fill material, building up the valley floor to create the seamless transition towards the tunnel. The compound you see below is the earthworks site office. Past that is the southern entrance to the tunnel. Since the tunnel's completion in February this year, it has been a game changer by allowing access into Zone 3 instead of the previously exclusive cableway only access. The cableway has since been successfully removed and we now get this gorgeous view every time we enter the northern site. As we come up into Cut 11 and look out over Zone 3, you get a real sense of how large but also how narrow the site is. The project has minimised the construction footprint to reduce the impact on the whenua as much as possible. The highly skilled operators and awesome site crew have made light work of placing over 100,000 cubic metres of material so far. This whole area, from Cut 11 to Cut 10, will end up with over 500,000 cubic metres of material placed by the time the road is ready to drive on. As we come around the corner, we get a good look at Cut 10, which has been cut to road level, and then past 10, you see the awesome progress we've made on the southern end of Cut 9. To the left, you can see the sediment retention pond, which treats and cleans any dirty water from site prior to it being released back into the environment. North of the pond, you can see a narrow haul road which has been constructed to get access to the northern part of Cut 9. This will allow us to complete another sediment retention pond in September and access Cut 9 from the north. This hard work has set us up well to have another productive and successful next season. Until then, I hope you've enjoyed this flyover and thanks so much for watching.